Hello, remedial reading students, and good day. Empowering our interest in learning is like giving a healthy foods or nutrients to our brain. I am Mr. Leo T. Solihon, and I will be your remedial reading teacher for today. Welcome to Quarter 1, Week 1, and Day 3 lesson. Sustaining our focus and attentiveness will be our guide in learning towards our ideas in terms of spelling and tune up to make it better. Hold and stay connected as we go through our lesson. To start with, we need to know first our learning objective, which is to spell correctly words used in the reading text. Anyway, to propel the words through context, I just ask you questions. The first one is, do you believe in the power of prayer? And what do you pray for? Is that about families' welfare? Hang on first your answers as we read the short passage. Now, it's time for us to read the passage, a well-designed scriptures. I will read the passage first, and later on is your turn. Why should I pray? What good would it do to us? A young man asked another. Shh! Because we cannot help it, the other young man answered. We pray as the mouth waters at the aroma of appetizing food, or as a sunflower turns towards the light. A certain man was infuriated by some evil men in his neighborhood. One day, in excess of anger, he stamped his foot and shouted, "May God destroy this man!" His wife said gently, "Hush, you blasphemer! The scriptures say, 'Bless, do not curse.'" So, we need to pronounce these words properly. The first set is mouth, aroma, appetizing. The second set is towards, infuriated, anger. And the third one is stamped, blasphemer, and curse. Again, the first set, mouth. Try it out. Mouth. The second one, aroma. Aroma. The third one, not appetizing, appetizing. Again, appetizing. Very good. The second set is towards. Go ahead. Towards. Infuriated. It's your turn. Infuriated. Infuriated. Anger. Stamped. Not stamped. No, no, no. Stamped. Blasphemer. And curse. Oh, curse. Congrats. Now, fill in the correct spelling of word in these phrases. Number 1. At the aroma of appetizing food. Spell it out. Aroma. Go. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Aroma. How about number 2? As the mouth waters. Mouth. Mouth. Number 3. In his neighborhood. Spell the word neighborhood. Try it out. I know you can do it. neighborhood. Number 4. In excess of anger. Anger. 3, 2, 1. Anger. Number 5. Stamped his foot and shouted. Spell the word shouted. Shouted. 3, 2, 1. So it's time for us to check your work. Number 1. At the aroma of appetizing food. Aroma. Spell it out. A-R-O-M-A. You've got it. How about number 2? As the mouth waters. Mouth. Try it out. M-O-U-T-H. I love it. How about number 3? Neighborhood. And I know it's not letter I again. Neighborhood. Make it fast. Neighborhood. Neighborhood. How about the 4th one? Anger. You can do it. A-N-G-E-R. 1 point. How about number 5? Shouted. Shouted. S-H-A. No. No. Again. S-H-O-U-T-E-D. You've got it. Then we need to be amazed as we venture important words such as deprive, academy, expenditure, distinct, individualized, astronaut. Again, deprive. Deprive means disposes, relieve, deny. The other one is academy, that is a conservatory. University. Then expenditure, spending, disbursement, lavishing. The next one is distinct, which is recognizably different in nature from something else of a similar type. Distinct. Then individualized, prepared or suitable for individual people. That's individualized. Astronaut, a person who is trained to travel in a spacecraft. So again, the words are deprive, academy, expenditure, distinct, individualized, and astronaut. It's your time to read these words, right? Timer starts now. Go. We make it fast. Deprive, academy, expenditure, distinct, individualized, and astronaut. Congratulations! In connection, it's time for us to use it in a sentence. For example, the word is deprive. Kim doesn't want to deprive her sister of fun. Deprive. How about number 2? Academy. The academy only accepts the top 5% of the students. Number 3. Expenditure. The large expenditure could not be satisfied. The next one is distinct. I can hear a distinct accent when you speak. Distinct. Then, individualized. We need an individualized learning strategy. We need an individualized learning strategy. Lastly, astronaut. Neil Armstrong was the first astronaut to walk on the moon. Astronaut. To wrap up, we need to remember this, that spelling is a set of conventions that regulate the way of using graphemes to represent language in its written form. Not only with that, in other words, spelling is the rendering of speech sound, such as the phoneme, into writing, which is the grapheme. Spelling also is one of the elements of orthography, and highly standardized spelling is a prescriptive element. Okay? And that ends our lesson today. Did you understand? Are the tips and examples clear to you? I hope so. But if not, you may go back to the lesson presented in your functional reading comprehension activity sheet. If today's lesson is clear to you, congratulations! You may now answer the activities in your functional reading comprehension activity sheet. Again, this is Leo T. Solihon saying, do not forget to smile and pray to complete your day. Good luck and happy learning.